Welcome to our comparison of two powerful graphics cards, the ASUS dual NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 and the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance, and features to help you determine which GPU is the best fit for your gaming and creative needs. Let's dive in. The ASUS RTX 3060 is built on the Ampere architecture, which offers solid performance for gaming at 1080p. In contrast, the GIGABYTE RTX 5070 utilizes the newer Blackwell architecture, promising improved performance and efficiency. This architectural advancement allows the RTX 5070 to handle more demanding games and applications with ease, making it a more future-proof choice for gamers and creators alike. When it comes to memory, the ASUS RTX 3060 features 12 GB of GDDR6 memory, while the GIGABYTE RTX 5070 steps it up with 12 GB of GDDR6X memory. The GDDR6X memory type is generally faster and more efficient, allowing the RTX 5070 to deliver better performance in high-resolution gaming and demanding applications. This difference in memory technology can significantly impact your gaming experience, especially in graphically intensive titles. Cooling is crucial for maintaining performance during intense gaming sessions. The ASUS RTX 3060 employs an axial tech fan design that enhances airflow and cooling efficiency. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE RTX 5070 features the WINDFORCE cooling system, which is designed to provide superior heat dissipation. This advanced cooling solution ensures that the RTX 5070 remains cool and quiet, even under heavy loads, making it an excellent choice for gamers who demand peak performance. In conclusion, both the ASUS RTX 3060 and the GIGABYTE RTX 5070 have their strengths. The RTX 3060 offers great value for gamers on a budget, while the RTX 5070 provides cutting-edge technology and performance for those willing to invest more. Consider your gaming needs and budget when making your decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.